Welcome back to Your Voice. We'll now get a chance to talk to another entertainment big shot, Mr. Rahat Fateh Ali Khan. The Qawwali and Indian playback singing sensation joined us at a press conference at Fox Studios in New York City for his current tour, which has been sweeping cities by storm.
आपसे ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि ये जो इतने सालों का सफ़र है, आपने जिस तरह से अपनी लेगेसी को मेंटेन किया है, सादगी को, वो कैसे करते हैं?
एक्चुअली ये तो हर इंसान की जो तबीयत है और जिस तरह का उसका स्वभाव है, वो एक्चुअली बचपन से होता है और वो जिस तरह से उसको अप्लाई करता है दूसरों के ऊपर हम्बलनेस या जैसी उसकी तबीयत होती है, ये मुझे शुरू से ही इस अदब व अदाब हमारे फैमिली में सिखाया गया है। इसकी वजह भी है और हमने जो आज जो फेम अल्लाह ताला की मेहरबानी से मुझे मिला है, हमने ये फेम बचपन में ही देखा हुआ है। उस्ताद नुसरत अली खान साहब ने जिस तरह का परफॉर्म किया और साथ मैं भी था और वहाँ से कुछ सीखने को मिला। बहुत सारी चीज़ें उनके साथ रह के सीखने को मिली कि इतनी फेम के बावजूद वो इतने डाउन टू अर्थ थे और इतना लोग उन्हें पसंद करते थे, फिर भी वो अपने काम में बिल्कुल मगन रहते थे।
मेरा नाम बलवंत सिंह है जी, मैं सहारा वन टेलीविज़न से हूँ। तो नुसरत साहब को हमारे उधर पंजाब जलंधर में घर घर सुना जाता है, उनकी घर घर में फ़ोटो और एक तरह से उनकी पूजा होती है। तो उनको आपके अंदर देखते हैं वो सभी लोग। आपकी जो रवायती गायकी है कव्वाली की, पंजाबी की, उसकी एल्बम कुछ कम आ रही है, क्या फ्यूचर में आप कुछ ऐसा हमें देंगे?
जी इंशाल्लाह ताला जल्दी आपको सुनने में मिलेगी। आपको गालिब और इश्क का सफ़र सुनने में मिलेगा, जो कि मिर्ज़ा गालिब से इकबाल तक, डॉक्टर मोहम्मद इकबाल जो पाकिस्तान के नेशनल पोइट हैं, उनके हमने कलाम पर पूरी एक एल्बम बनाई है। उसका नाम है इश्क का सफ़र, वो जल्दी आ रही है।
मेरा सवाल ये है कि आप जो हैं ऐसी शायरी और ऐसी संगीत हो कि जो इंडिया और पाकिस्तान को, मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि मैं आपको इंडिया में बैठ के सुनूँ, हम सब वहाँ आपको बैठ के सुनना चाहते हैं। तो ऐसा क्या मीडिया और दोनों तरफ की आवाम और आप और हम सब क्या किरदार अदा कर सकते हैं कि जिसमें सबका पार्टिसिपेट हो, मीडिया का भी और आपकी शायरी से, और उससे हम और करीब आ जाएं और जिस तरह आज हम यहाँ सब करीब हैं?
टाइम की बस थोड़ी सी बात है क्योंकि मैं पिछले दिनों में बहुत बिज़ी रहा हूँ, तो इंडिया का टूर नहीं कर सका मैं। तो जल्दी आप लोग सब सुनेंगे, वहाँ पे इकट्ठे बैठ के गाएंगे वहाँ।
एक तो ये कि क्या नई चीज़ आप लेके आएंगे, दूसरे ये कि जो कुछ लाएंगे उसमें से कुछ गुनगुना के भी सुना दें।
चलिए, शुक्र है इस तरह का क्वेश्चन कोई है। नई गीत हैं जी, जो कि मैंने पिछले टूर में नहीं यहाँ पे गाए, जो कि अब पिछले 2011 के एंड पे रिलीज़ हुए। तो उनमें से एक गुनगुना देता हूँ मैं आपके लिए। तेरी मेरी मेरी तेरी प्रेम कहानी है मुश्किल, दो लफ्ज़ों में ये बयां ना हो पाए। एक लड़का और एक लड़की की ये कहानी है नहीं, दो लफ्ज़ों में ये बयां ना हो पाए। Thank you.
I'm talking to the legend Ustad Rahat Fateh Ali Khan, who's here on a world tour 2012. Ustad जी, आप ये बताइए, आप अपना सूफ़ी म्यूज़िक कैसे बरकरार रखते हैं?
सूफ़ी म्यूज़िक को बरकरार गा के रखा जा सकता है, आई थिंक। तो
संभाला हुआ है
उसको गा के, उसको प्रैक्टिस करके, उसको अपने गायकी में अप्लाई करके, उसको तब बरकरार ऐसे रखते हैं।
और आपकी फ्यूचर एल्बम बताइए,
स्पिरिचुअल एल्बम मेरी एक आने वाली एल्बम जो है वो एक माई म्यूज़िक जस्ट फॉर यू उसका नाम है, वो भी आ रही है। उसमें गाने सिर्फ लव सॉन्ग है उसमें। और दूसरी मेरी एक स्पिरिचुअल एल्बम आ रही है जिसमें हमने गालिब और डॉक्टर इलामा इकबाल का कलाम पेश किया हुआ है।
पहली बार हो रहा है मिर्ज़ा गालिब की शायरी?
जी हाँ, ये पहली बार हो रहा है कि मिर्ज़ा गालिब की शायरी को कव्वाली के अंदाज में, और जो गिरहा हैं वो भी गालिब की ही गज़लों से लेकर के सिलेक्ट करके तकरीबन को 100-150 शेर जो है वो उसमें कहा हुआ है।
आपके जितने फैंस हैं आपका क्या मैसेज होगा उनके लिए?
मैं अपने फैंस को यही कहूँगा कि बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ मैं आपका कि आपने मुझे इतना इज़्ज़त दी, इतना मोहब्बत दिया, प्यार दिया। मैं इंशाल्लाह ताला कोशिश करूँगा कि आपकी जो उम्मीदें हैं उनको बरकरार रखूँ।
बहुत शुक्रिया।
Thank you so much.
Be sure to catch Rahat Fateh Ali Khan in concert in your city. We'll now take a look at a new way to report air travel discrimination in the United States. We'll join Ms. Gurmeet Sodhi as she speaks with the board members of the Sikh Coalition, a group which is helping launch the new application called FlyRights. Let's join them and find out more about it.
Today, we're standing in Washington, D.C., the capital of United States of America. History is going to be made here today where Sikh Coalition, a New York-based organization, is launching an app with the TSA. This app is going to be one of its kind and the first of its kind where it's going to allow real-time complaints to be filed with the TSA. That's right. These are going to be real-time complaints for the new application, FlyRights. When people are being discriminated at the airports or there's any racial profiling at the airports, you can go ahead and submit your incident right from your smartphone. This report will be given right there and then to TSA where they can monitor these complaints and they can see what's going on so they can take action to help the community. So today we're going to see Sikh Coalition launching this app with TSA, and history is going to be created today. With that, we're going to have a few words with Mr. Amardeep Singh from Sikh Coalition with this big launch today. Hello, Amardeep.
Hi, Gurmeet. How are you?
Good, thank you. Now, this app being launched today, it's not just going to be helping the Sikh community. This is going to help every community in the United States.
Everyone should be able to use it. Just this morning, we received our first complaint, and guess what? It was from a non-Sikh. It was from a woman in San Jose who complained about the TSA searches and said, you know, they're going through my breast milk. I followed the procedure. It's not right. It's not fair. I need to complain, so everyone can use it.
Wow. And you know what? We just think it's just because of the turban or just because of our appearance that this is only going to benefit us. But like you just said, this is not just for us. It's for everyone else out there. Now, Sikh Coalition being the first, obviously you must have had a lot of complaints to think of something like this, to launch something like this. So do you think the reason for this app being launched is because there weren't enough actions being taken to help the community?
So literally the Sikh Coalition gets hundreds of complaints from Sikhs about TSA profiling. But the TSA, just this past year, for the first half of 2011, only had 11 complaints from any community in the whole country. And so this app will allow people to easily file complaints right when it happens. They'll have all the information they need to answer right at their fingertips, and we'll make sure our government is hearing our voice.
Okay. Now, when this application, if someone files this complaint, it gets submitted real time to TSA. Does this complaint also get filed with your office as well? So you can stay on top of it and follow up to see what happened.
So the users have a choice. They can send their complaint directly to the TSA, directly to the Sikh Coalition, or either Coalition or TSA.
Okay.
It's their choice.
Okay. Now we have with us one of the community members, Prabjeet Singh, who's gone through air travel discrimination, and he knows firsthand what it's like to go through these experiences. And we want to hear from him how launching this app is will make a difference to your travel further.
Waheguru Ji Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. My name is Prabjeet Singh. Yes, I had a situation on August 17th of 2007 where I ended up having a TSA official that was very, very not only disgruntled and upset, but what caused many issues for me. And actually, they asked me not to travel at all because of the questions I was asking. And if I had had such a app at the time, I would have been able to communicate with the Sikh Coalition so much more quicker. But even more further, I would have been able to have the information about what my rights were and be able to have show that to him so that I would not have had the issues that I then had at that time.
I think this is an extraordinary day, and we're so proud to be affiliated with the Sikh Coalition as it unveils this truly groundbreaking app that will help all Americans protect and enhance their civil and human rights.
Now we have with us Farhana Kara from Muslim Advocates, who's also here present at the launch of this new app. So Farhana, tell me, having this app launched, how does this also help this Muslim community?
Well, like the Sikh community, there are many people in the Muslim community who are are regularly, if not 100% of the time, stopped by the TSA screeners when they're traveling through our airports, and specifically Muslim women who wear a headscarf or other American Muslims who wear loose clothing are getting, after they pass through the metal detectors, and the metal detector doesn't go off, so your normal passenger is allowed to go onto the gate to catch their flight, but if you're a woman wearing a headscarf or if you're wearing bulky clothing, you're pulled aside and you're subjected to additional scrutiny, to a pat down or to have a handheld wand go over your head, and that delays people. It causes a lot of frustration and stigma that why are they getting pulled over almost 100% of the time.
Absolutely, and that's right in line with the Sikh spirit, right? It's not just about protecting the rights of Sikhs, it's about the rights of all. And so we're very excited to stand in partnership with so many wonderful organizations to help all communities on this issue.
Yes, there's even an app for that. We're going to take just one more short break, but don't go far. We've got a lot more for you on the other side of the break.